Alright, hi guys, welcome back for another video. So today my mission is to clean up the boot and get everything fitted so the boot's finished. So what this means is rewiring all the tail lights. You can see all the wiring hanging loose. Here's a quick look on the other side. So none of the wiring is in, so it's just kind of floating around in the boot. Got to fit the key barrel for the boot lid. I've got these new tail lights that light up the number plate that sit in the bumper bar just there. So there is two of those. Now these brackets go behind the bumper on the side, but you have to fit them from the inside. So you can see a couple of holes there, so I'll just put some bolts through those. I think they're actually pot riveted. But I'm just going to put some bolts in them for now. And also I'm planning on putting the washer bottle in the boot, so it'll be somewhere like this. I've got to work out a bit of a bracket to hold it all in place. Alrighty, so first things first, I've got to give this a good tidy up. Okay, and just like that, I've cleaned it up, taken a little bit of tape off some of the wiring. That one's actually got a bit of paint on it, so I'll have to fix that later on. Alright, I got the loom through there, as you can see. Yeah, so I've got to remove this tail light so I can fit the wiring. Alright, so here's the tail light. So as you can see, I've routed all the loom through for the lights. Should plug on there, no worries. Alright, I got the first one done. So there it goes into the tail light. See, I've even got those little original caps on there, on those bolts. Yeah, up there, past where the spare wheel goes, through the little hole up there, wherever you are. Sorry. Through that little hole and then down over there. Okay, so I've started to put the other side in. Fitted the little clips up the top. Those little clips just hold in the wire to the body, as you can see, the three clips, and I've just kind of poked it through, but I'm not really sure what this one is for. Let's have a look. Alright, so what I've got here is a fuel sender. So the fuel sender connects to the fuel tank, which is under the boot in the Australian Escort. And it looks like that wire that I was talking about connects up to the fuel sender underneath. So that bit there connects to the number plate light lead, which is just there. So obviously that one there's the tail light loom. I'm going to have to take the battery tray back out because the wire goes straight through the floor underneath where the battery tray is. Oh, that's one. Oh my God, there's the other one. Oh, yes. I tell you what, don't ever try and do that by yourself. That was a nightmare. Hey! Alright, so that looks like that's our hole for that lead. Okay, I quickly wanted to show you how I put the fuel sender loom through first, through that hole, just so you can get this rubber through, because if you've got the rest of the cable in, it's much harder. So do that first, put the wire through first like that. Alright, hoping this shows up on the camera. So this here is the lead for the fuel sender, so it's gone through the floor. Now check it out, there's a little clip just here Can't really see, but there's a clip we can put the lead in. That just there is actually the electric fuel pump that I've got on there. But then it follows down. There you go. You can see the lead really nicely, so it connects to the fuel sender on the fuel tank. Oh, hooray, I finally got the wire through. That was hard work getting all this done. As you can see, there it is. Alrighty, I've taken the other tail light out. Now check it out. That polish job that Steve did on the lens still looks awesome. Just a quick shot of all the wiring plugged in. And notice how it tucks in up the top there and it doesn't go through that big hole. So now I've got the rest of the loom. So you tuck it in through here. See, there it is. Tuck it in. Then I've routed it down to here. And then you can see the number plate. The lights that plug into there. And there's the power on the earth, which I will connect up to there. Alright, we're back on the Escort. So now what I've got to do is get these brackets fitted under the bumper bar. So we're going to try and take this rear bumper bar off. Alright, so it turns out these little side caps come straight off the bumper after we took that little bolt out, or the screw out. They literally just slide on. So that's going to make it heaps easier to fit those brackets into those two little holes there.
This is what you do with a socket when you haven't got a socket out.
You're using a 10mm spanner.
8mm.
Oh, 8mm.
It's an 8mm spanner. And I put it on those pliers.
That's what happens when you forget your sockets. Alright, there's the bracket. And a couple of nuts and bolts to hold it in. This is the loom for the number plate lighting. So it literally just goes straight through that hole. Can we see it on camera? There's a little hole there. Just poke it through there. And there's the two plugs for the tail lights, or the number plate lights. There's two brand new number plate lights.
He said it'd be easy.
I said this would be easy. I can't see anything. Here we go. It goes through there. How's that?
Yeah, beautiful. So Simon's...
Oh, I got it the wrong way around. How's that?
That's it, plug it in. Simples.
Alright, earth cable done and power done. Just tucked in just there. You beauty. Alright, there's the little bumper brackets fitted back on. There's the lights. And the other bracket. So this boot latch is missing a little clip that holds it into the boot lid. And I think my old man, Dad, he's got the clip off another one there. So we'll chuck that on.
My old man's adjustment. He really has adjustments. There you go.
Oh, there you go. Well, let me get that in focus. There it is. I've also got to remove this clip here. Oh, come on. I'll show you once I get it off. That guy there, that's got to go on ours as well.
Ready?
Yep. That's about it, isn't it?
I don't think that's going to...
Yeah. I reckon the gasket and the clip are kind of making it harder to fit because the gasket's so thick. Key barrel is in. It's also got a new gasket, as you can see, big black one. And now we'll just tighten this up.
C-I-R-C-R.
Oh yeah, there's a little C clip, or the Sir clip. We just fitted on there too to hold it in place. Alright, it's time to shut the boot and let's hope it works.
Go for it.
Here we go. Hey, look at that.
Awesome.
Yes, satisfaction.
Well done.
Alright, looks like we got the boot ready. So here's the big unveiling. What's the word?
Veiling.
The big unveiling. Hold on. Alright, here we go. Yep. Well done. So there's the new latch. All the wiring's in. Can't really see much because I guess we've tidied it up. There's the battery tray. Come around the back, bumpers on. And the new number plate lights. So that's awesome. So now I can move to a new part of the car. Cheers for watching.